Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create AI generated video with Google's new AI generation platform VO3 and Flow that can make continuous video with the script. And so what you have to do is you have to get a VPN, and you have to make sure you are connected from outside of USA. After connected, just go to this link here again, labs.google.flow. Now sign in with your Google account. As you can see, I am using this pro plan with a free tricks. You can see I get 1000 AI credits, so I am going to show you how to get 1000 AI credits for free and use all the AI benefits with the free Google AI plan. You can also get Gemini Pro for free. Just keep watching the video. I will share the tricks with you in the video. We can set the output per prompt 1, 2, 3 or 4. We can set quality as it is set for first one cost only 10 credit, the second one is 100 credit, and the last one is the highest, it's also 100 credits cost per prompt. Now here is the option for text to video and image to video, and ingredients to video is not available for everyone. Let's paste our first prompt: a futuristic robot assembling a complex gadget. I am skipping the creation part. It's completed. They are looking pretty neat, so every one of them are 8 seconds long. This is the first one, and now the second one. And here is our third one. Third one is best in my opinion. Let's check out this option. It's to download animated GIF, original size, upscale 180. So this is the feature. I have 600 credits now, as each of them cost 100 credits, and this is the full screen. I want to add another follow-up video for this clip. Let's try. Add to scene, give another prompt. The robot powers on the gadget, it glows brightly. Just on, highest quality again. Let's create. I am going to skip this on too. So here is our second clip. It's just awesome as it continued from the first clip, and it was able to execute the prompt properly. There is the option to save frame as asset for later use as thumbnail or something. Here is the full video. So that's it guys. Just get the 1000 credit for free. Link is in the description, or you can also check out my ending video. Please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.